Uh-oh, something happened. I think my fox is done. It's rough country here, guys. Hello guys, Steve here, kyoshorc. As promised, another video with this thing here, the Kyosho FOXX. So let's get to it. Let's see if we could go up this hill here. Oh yeah, right up. Whoa, she's on the top. Whoa, that's cool. This thing got so much power, it's insane. Let me get these leaves out. There's the bottom for you guys who've never seen one. Right there. Oh, don't want to hit that. Right over here. What the hell did they do? Pour some rocks out here? This is weird. The spot I come to? What the hell? They put all rocks in the whole place. That blows. What the hell did they do? Let's check it out. Oh, looks like they dug something up here by the soccer field, like maybe put a pipe in or something. Oh, but that blows. The hell, they ruined the place even more than they did last time. Were they going around the whole thing? Maybe we'll go over there and check it out. I want to see what they did over here. See if they ruined that spot even more. Idiots. Whoa, tumble. What the hell? They just threw a whole crap load of rocks down here. That's not good. Maybe for crawling. Let's see. Fox style crawl. There she goes. Told you this fox could do anything. Oh, you son of a bitch. One rock in the middle of the place. I always end up hitting it. There you go, Brent. Adventure Time RC. I told you them rocks. Look at that. Lucky I had a skid plate on there. It cracked. Saved probably the axle. Yep. Whew. What a joke. Getting the heck out of here. Another spot ruined. Yeah, hit more rocks, Steve. Just go right ahead and hit them all. That blows. They ruined this spot. Let's see what they did down here. While we're at it. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Something for this soccer field. Ooh, long pipe down there. Yeah, they dug up everything. It's rough country here, guys. Holy smokes, they really ripped this place up. Oh my God, they ripped it up. Oh, it's like all the way around this soccer field. They must have put in some kind of pipe, I bet you, for the drain. Oh, I hit another rock. I'm gonna watch that. It's just rocks that pop up everywhere. That it did something. I guarantee they ran a pipeline. Do a dropping off this thing. Not enough speed and there's too many rocks. Oh, right into the rock again. The hell's up here? See if we could do this climb with the FOXX. Yeah, sure can. Now we're off-roading. Knows where we're going. Kyosho FOXX style. Woo, like a jackrabbit. We gotta get the hell out of here. That's where we're going. Where can we go? This way. What an adventure this is. Holy smoke. Kyosho FOXX. Uh-oh, something happened. I think my FOXX is done. I think that last hit on the rock broke something, guys. Yep. Is it? Oh. Actually, yeah, cracked. Right there, end it for us, guys. Too much hitting into rocks. At full speed, did her in. Right there. Doomed. Alright guys, that's the end of this beauty. Walk of shame now. I have to bring her home. I'll have to try to locate that front axle part. It's probably going to be hard to find because it's always hard to find parts for Kyosho. Never mind the old cars, it's like impossible. So, hope you enjoyed this little crazy installment. I knew when I seen them freaking rocks all out I should have stood away, but I never do. Oh well, thanks for watching guys. Appreciate you all. If you're new watching, please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you next time. Jen RC out. She's broken. Later. What a shame. Just push the axle back together in the housing just so I could run it and get back to the car. A walk of shame. Alright guys, got a pretty far walk to go. I'll see you on the next one.